Let's see an example of creation of data frame from 2D dictionary having values in list. एक ऐसी डिक्शनरी जिसमें की वैल्यू पेयर होता है. की वैल्यू पेयर हम जानते हैं सभी डिक्शनरीज में होता है, बट इन दिस डिक्शनरी वी विल सी against each of the key there will be a list containing values. So here in this example, first we are creating a dictionary D with three keys: name, BST and IP, each of which contains a list as value. You can see here each key has a value paired, and this value is a list that contains three values, a list containing three values. Now we will create a data frame object df. This is the name, you can give any name. So we are creating a data frame object df from this, and for this what we are doing, we are calling pandas library. We are using pandas library and calling data frame function. D and F we have learned that these two letters should be capital, and we are passing the object D that we have created in the previous statement. Object D is a dictionary containing list as values. When we create a data frame, the created data frame is shown below. Here we can see that every key value pair becomes the column in the data frame. Since there were three key value pairs in our dictionary, that's why here three columns have been created, and in these columns you can see every key became the label for the column, that is name, BST and IP, and value against each key has become the value in that particular column. So that name became the label for the first column, and three values, indexes 0, 1 and 2, became the values in name column against the same indexes, that is 0, 1 and 2. And you can also see that happened with other two keys also, BST and IP. Since we have not defined any label for the rows, that's why it has taken them as 0 based numerical index automatically. So this is how we can create dictionaries. We can create data frames from dictionaries having values in list. We can also say that this dictionary is a 2D dictionary. Now see another example of creation of data frame from 2D dictionary, but this time the values are in dictionaries. That means this is a two-dimensional dictionary, but dictionary of dictionaries. So here in this example you can see we are creating three dictionaries. We are creating three dictionaries. First two are the normal dictionaries, and the third one is a dictionary of dictionaries. That means a dictionary that contains dictionary items, dictionary objects. So in the first statement what we are doing, we are creating a dictionary object IP that has three key value pairs: Ajay 41, Richa 38 and Pragya 42. And then another dictionary we are creating, this is BST. Here again three key value pairs are there: Ajay 42, Richa 45, Pragya 39. Now what we are doing, we are creating another dictionary D that has two key value pairs, and against each of the key there is a value that is a dictionary object that we previously defined in the above statements. So here the IP dictionary and the BST dictionary, these two are being passed as values in the third dictionary D. So now D is the dictionary of dictionaries. Dictionary of dictionaries, that means that ऐसी डिक्शनरी जो डिक्शनरी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को होल्ड करती है वैल्यू की जगह पर. तो इस तरह से अब इस डी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम यूज करेंगे डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट करने के लिए. सो इन द लास्ट स्टेटमेंट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर क्रिएटिंग a df1 object. This is a data frame object in the same way we created earlier. Now pd dot data frame, we have called this function and passed the d created in the third statement. When we pass this, we can see a data frame is created here, and at this time you can see that each of the key in the third statement, that is the passed dictionary, inside the passed dictionary each of the key became the column, and the values in that particular dictionary became the values in that particular column, that is IP column and the BST column. Here, since we are creating it from dictionaries, from dictionary of dictionaries, that's why it has taken the index labels automatically from the keys of the nested dictionary. जो हमारी IP और BST डिक्शनरीज हमने पहले बनाई हुई थी, जो IP और BST डिक्शनरीज हमने पहले बनाई हुई थी, उन डिक्शनरीज से उसने अपने आप कीज को यहां पर जो कीज थी उनको रो के लिए यूज कर लिया. तो इस तरह से हमने देखा हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट अ 2D डिक्शनरी, अ डेटा फ्रेम फ्रॉम 2D डिक्शनरी, ऐसी डिक्शनरी जिसमें डिक्शनरी ही वैल्यू की जगह पर होगी. अब एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. नाउ वी विल क्रिएट ए डेटा फ्रेम फ्रॉम डिक्शनरी ऑफ सीरीज. आई होप यू हैव लर्न अबाउट सीरीज. In this example, what we are doing here, we are creating 3 series. The first series contains names of 4 students. Second series is BST score, that contains 4 numerical values, and third series also contains numerical values, that is the score of IP and score of BST respectively. Now we create data frame in the same way. Data frame object, we are calling the data frame function from the pandas library, and here you can see what we are doing here. We are passing it as dictionary. यहां हम एक डिक्शनरी को पास कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट में डिफाइंड है. यू कैन सी इट हियर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ डिक्शनरी ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड हियर द की वैल्यू पेयर्स, की एंड वैल्यू, हम अलग से भी बना सकते थे इसको डिक्शनरी ऑब्जेक्ट को, लेकिन इस बार मैंने इस एग्जांपल में कोशिश की कि आपको डायरेक्ट ये तरीका भी आना चाहिए. तो की वैल्यू पेयर्स आर देयर, अगेन 3 की वैल्यू पेयर्स आर देयर. फर्स्ट की इज नेम, सेकेंड की इज BST, एंड थर्ड की इज IP, and against which we are passing 3 series that we have created earlier. So this is the names series, this first series here. The second series is BST score, we are passing it here, and the third series is IP score, we are passing it here. So these are the 3 series we are passing to it. तो एक डिक्शनरी यहां पर बनती है, and this dictionary is being passed to the data frame function of a pandas library, and after this data frame will be created. You can see it here on the screen, and you can see here every key became the column as previous examples. Every key became the column, and the value against that key becomes the value in that particular column. So this is the example how we can create data frame from dictionary of series. Another example, and this is the example of creation of data frame from the list of dictionaries. अगर हमारे पास डिक्शनरीज बनी हुई हैं तो उनकी लिस्ट को पास करके, या वो सारे जो डिक्शनरी ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको एक लिस्ट के फॉर्म में अगर हम डेटा फ्रेम फंक्शन को पास कर दें तो इससे भी डेटा फ्रेम्स बनाई जा सकती हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स एग्जांपल हियर ऑन द स्क्रीन. D1, D2, D3 and D4, these are the 4 dictionaries having 3 key value pairs in each. The name, BST and IP, 3 keys in each, and against which the values are there: name, score in BST and score in IP. So we have created 4 dictionary objects, and we are passing these 4 dictionary objects to the data frame function as we did earlier with other in other examples. So now D1, D2, D3 and D4, these 4 are dictionary objects, and these 4 dictionary objects in a list, square brackets are there, that's why it is a list. So we are passing the list of dictionary objects, and using this particular data frame is being created. Again, every key become the column, and the value against each of the key in each of the dictionary became the value in that particular column. So this is the way how we create dictionaries, how we create data frames from the dictionary. Another example is to create data frame from 2D list. अगर हमारे पास 2 डायमेंशनल लिस्ट हैं तो हम उससे डेटा फ्रेम कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. इसको थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल को थोड़ा अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. Here we are creating a list data. You can see it here. This is a list, and inside this list there are 3 sublists, each of which contains 2 values. So this index of first is 0, second list index is 1, and third list index is 2. Okay, so this is a list of list. Since list is not a key value pair kind of thing, it does not have any label associated with the values. So जब आप इससे डिक्शनरी डेटा फ्रेम बनाएंगे तो डेटा फ्रेम के कॉलम्स के लेबल्स और रोज के लेबल्स कहां से आएंगे. सो ये एक ऐसा एस्पेक्ट है जो अभी हमने डिस्कस नहीं किया था. हमने सिंटेक्स में देखा था इनिशियली कि देयर आर 3 आर्ग्यूमेंट्स इन द डेटा फ्रेम फंक्शन. तो फर्स्ट आई explain about them. Now as we have seen in the first place कि जो डेटा फ्रेम फंक्शन होता है we use 3 arguments in it. First argument is data structure, second argument is label for columns, and third argument is label for index. So जब हम एक लिस्ट से डेटा फ्रेम बनाएंगे तो उसके कॉलम्स और रोज के जो लेबल्स होंगे वो डिफाइन नहीं होंगे, क्योंकि जब तक आप डिक्शनरी से बनाते हैं किसी डेटा फ्रेम को तो डिक्शनरी की की वैल्यूज रोज और कॉलम्स के लिए लेबल्स बनने का काम करती हैं, ये ऑटोमेटिकली सिस्टम डिसाइड कर लेता है. बट व्हेन यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ डेटा फ्रेम फ्रॉम द लिस्ट ऑफ लिस्ट, देन you need to specify the labels for rows and labels for the columns also. So to specify the labels for the columns, you have to specify this columns argument, and in this columns argument you can specify the label for all the columns using a list, and in the same way index argument is used to specify the labels for the rows, and again you have to specify it here as a sequence. You can use a tuple or a list. I have used here list. So Ajay, Richa and Pragya, this is a list specifying the labels for the rows. Okay, now see when this data frame is created, here. What happens? Every sublist, you can see 0, 1 and 2 became the row in the data frame. Every sublist become the row in the data frame. That means the value in each sublist became the value in a particular single row. So 41, 42, this is the index 0, this is the index 1 and this is the index 2. So in this way the data frame has been created. If we would have not defined columns and index, then in that case it would have taken 0, 1, 2 as the row index and 0 and 1 is the column index. But since we have defined the labels for the rows and columns, that's why it has taken IP and BST as the labels for the columns, and Ajay, Richa and Pragya is the labels for the rows. So this is all about data frame creation from various different objects. You have to practice them more to understand them better. आप बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें प्रैक्टिस करिए, अलग अलग तरीके से बनाकर देखिए, और जितना भी आपके मन में एक्सपेरिमेंट करने को आए वो एक्सपेरिमेंट कर करके देखिए और कारणों का पता लगाइए. अगर कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है तो वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. इस तरीके से आप बहुत अच्छे से डेटा फ्रेम के क्रिएट करने से संबंधित जो भी चीजें हैं वो सीख पाएंगे. ठीक है, अब बात आती है कि जब आप डेटा फ्रेम बनाएंगे तो उस डेटा फ्रेम को आपको डिस्प्ले करना होगा. तो आप डेटा फ्रेम को डिस्प्ले कैसे करेंगे? अगर ऑन स्क्रीन आपको डेटा फ्रेम देखनी है तो डेटा फ्रेम देखने का बिल्कुल सिंपल तरीका है हमारे पास. अगर पूरा कंटेंट डेटा फ्रेम का डिस्प्ले करना है तो वी यूज प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट, एंड प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट में हम डेटा फ्रेम का नाम लिख देते हैं. तो इन दिस वे द डेटा फ्रेम्स आर डिस्प्लेड.